Atlanta is one of the fastest growing metro areas in the U.S., attracting businesses from across the country. The average cost for commercial movers in Georgia ranges from $1,055 to $14,457. Basic moves cover truck rental and loading, while full-service moves include packing, unpacking, office setup, and storage solutions. Off-season moves often save you money, and discounts are available for students, seniors, and military personnel. Our simple 5-step moving process ensures efficiency and peace of mind. We coordinate everything so you can focus on your business. As a top-rated commercial mover in Georgia, 3 Movers is committed to providing dependable and customized moving solutions. Our experienced team handles local and long-distance moves with professionalism and care. Ready to relocate your business in Georgia? Contact 3 Movers today for a free, no-obligation commercial moving quote. Call 1-888-202-0036 or visit our website to get started.